Well, hopefully that was fun, that whiteboard practice. Hope you had a lot of success, and your teachers were amazing. I know they are. So we're going to do the problem set. I'm going to get as far as I can on this. You follow along. If you feel really comfortable, you can go right on ahead. But at least stick with me for the first one here so we know what to do, okay? So what I see here is the directions. I have to read that first. So the directions say, read the questions carefully. Write your answers in the answer boxes. It says here, represent each number in the place value chart. Use less than, greater than, or equal to compare the two numbers. Write the correct symbol in each box, okay? So this is the box we want to write it in, okay? And if you want to write it here instead of here, that's fine. Or write them in both places, that's okay, okay? So I see 600,015 is blank from 60,015. So right off the bat, I can tell which one is greater, okay? But go through, I want to talk to you about this. So if I can't stop my brain, I just can't stop my brain from working. I know this is greater. I just know it. So I'm going to write it down. And I'm going to show you down here in the box. What I'm going to do is write one of the numbers up top and one of the numbers in the bottom, okay? Now, a lot of kids might ask me here, they say, well, Mr. Sherman, do you want us to use those little dots, those little discs, or do you want us to actually write the numbers? And I'm going to say to you, well, what do the directions ask? The directions don't ask for either of those. So you can do what you need to do to make it work for you. I'm going to do both on this to start with. So what I'm going to see here is I'm going to see that there's, right off the bat, I go to the highest place value. I see that this is out in the hundreds, the 100,000s. It's out here. It's 6 digits out. So the first one I'm going to write down is I've got 6 discs in this one right here, okay? And I notice over here, look at, there's a blank spot in the 100,000s place. There's nothing there. So that number, I don't write anything in. So right off the bat, I know that I've got more, okay? So that's what I'm going to do with that. So down here, I see there's 0 10,000s, 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 1 10, and 5 ones. Okay? And then down here, I see that there's 10. Over here, I see there's 0 100,000s, 6 10,000s, and I see that there's 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 1 10, 5 ones. So I can see right here from this box that 600,015 is greater. So to write those numbers in, it would look like 6 0 0 0 1 5. Down here would be nothing. This is 0. And then 6 0 0 1 5. So all these numbers look the same, except when we get up here. The highest number, this is 600,000 more, okay? So from here on out, I'm going to use my numbers instead of discs in the place value box, okay? That's how my brain works, okay? So what I'm going to do down here is I have 409,004 and 440,002. So let's write those numbers in. I'm going to write this number across this first row of boxes. I've got 409,004. That lines up 6 places right here. Down here, 6 places. 4 4 0 0 0 2. Okay, so what I want to do is start with the highest place value first. It's right here. I see 4 and 4. They're equal. All right, on to the next one. My 10,000s place. 10,000s, I see I got 0 and a 4. I got my answer. I know that 4 is bigger than 0. So when I look up here, I need to make sure that my sign, my symbol, okay, my little alligator is eating the bigger piece. So I read it from left to right as 409,004 is less than 440,002. Make sense? Hope so. Okay, let's keep moving. Okay. Over here, I've got compare the two numbers using these symbols, okay? So on your whiteboard or using your place value chart, you can do exactly what we just did. Write those numbers. You can line them up right here and figure out your answer. What I'm going to do is just try to use my mind's eye. I can see right here that this one has got more numbers. It comes out further. This one's got 5, this one's got 6. I can tell that this first one is greater than already. 342,001, 94,981. So that's my answer right there. It's a greater than sign. Down here, they're trying to trick us, but we're not going to let that happen. So what I'm going to do is to make sure that I've got my I got my whiteboard out if I need it, and I've got my brain if I need it, okay? So my brain's there always. Here I've got 500, this is an expanded form. That looks familiar, right? So expanded form looks like this. I'm gonna try to put this number together. 589,100. That's that number. And this is 580,901. 589,501. So now I can look at my place values. 5 and 5, same. 8 and 8, same. 9 and 0. Oh, we found it. I wrote this number down, so this number is the biggest. 9 is much bigger than 0. So I look down here and I can say to myself, okay, 589,100 is larger than 508,900. Oh, that's not 80. That says 8,000. So down here it would have been this. It would have been 8,000. So we would have saw the larger one right off the bat right there. Okay? Oops. I make mistakes too. All the time. Doesn't mean I'm going to stop recording. It means I'm going to keep moving. Okay? All right. Now here we go. I got C is 900,000. So 900,000s, 8,000s, 900s, 3/10. Unbelievable. We're going to try to put this together as best as we can. I'm going to erase my board. I'm going to read this a couple times to make sure I've got it right. Okay? I'm also going to have my place value chart out to make sure that it's good. So I've got 900,000s, 8,000s, 900s, 3/10. So using my place value chart, I can tell that 900,000s is going to look like this. 900,000s. Okay, 900,000s, that's that one. Okay. 8,000s. Okay, so then I got 8,000s. And then I got 900s. And then 3/10s. So if I add all these up, I'm going to end up with 0, 3, 9, whoop, out of picture, 8, 0, 9. So I got 908,930. Now I got to compare it to this one. Getting all banged up here. I've got 908,930. Wait a minute. 908,930. 908,930. Guess what? That's our first equal one. We got an equal one. Nice. Oh, I got to do this up here. Equals. Perfect. Cool. All right, so the rest of this you're going to do on your own or with a teacher. Down here, the next page over, you're going to see that you've got to evaluate these mountain heights and the elevation. Whiteboard's probably going to be a lot of help here, so you can line up the place values and really figure it out. And even the last one here is going to talk about distance from Earth, okay? These different things, the astronomical units, okay? So, hey, have fun, do your best, and have a great weekend, all right? Thanks so much. Talk to you.